guys, it's hashtag pork chop day coming up. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today is a great day. Today we are going to be doing pork chops on the Weber Kettle, and we're doing this in a huge collaboration. All right, so today is hashtag pork chop day, and yes, I did do the hashtag thing. Anyway, so there are about 10 to 15 YouTubers that were on Cooking with James's live stream a couple weeks ago, and we decided we were going to do a pork chop day. So we did hashtag pork chop day. So in the description, you'll see a hashtag of hashtag pork chop day. Click on that and it'll take you to all of these pork chops, okay? All of these YouTubers that did this. So it was Cooking with James, Josh and Babe, Kent from Daddy Dutch Barbecue, Eric from Roundhouse Barbecue, just Cooking with Corey. I don't have a list of them. It's too many to name, and we're gonna be here all day if I did. Just know that tons and tons of people are doing it. So make sure you click on that hashtag. All right, so today we're just going to do some nice bone-in pork chops out on the Weber Kettle. I have one little brick of hickory wood in there. I just want a light smoke on there. I find if you use too much hickory, it overpowers it. So we're just doing a little bit in there. Cook it to about 145, nice and medium inside, and we'll pull it off. And then on another video that I'm kind of making with this one, I'm gonna be doing the pan dripping gravy for it. Really, there's no pan dripping gravy. I'm just gonna be making a gravy. I'll be making a mushroom onion gravy for it. That will be another video, which I'll link right here. All right, so make sure you check that out too, so you can see how this dish completes, okay? I'm excited for this. I hope you all check out everybody's pork chop dish. It's gonna be a good time, all right? I've already seasoned these bad boys up, let them rest for about, come up to room temperature for about a half hour now. I'm using some right rub, Dan's right rub. I'll put a link below for rightrub.com. You check it out, okay? I think that's it. We're gonna get on the Weber Kettle, get these things going, got the smoke rolling. It'll be a good time, all right? Come on back. All right, guys, for our pork chops, just season them up with a little right rub. All right, guys, we're a half hour in on these pork chops. Looking good. All right, guys, these pork chops are up to temperature, but I decided to do a little reverse sear on them. So I put them on the hot part of the coals here. Just go a couple minutes, or a couple seconds. Just trying to get a little extra color on there. All right, no big deal. You know, I like them grill marks. Okay, I'm not trying to cook it much longer. I just want to get them a little fired up on the outside. Okay, all right, come on back and we'll be into the house and get ready to play. All right, guys, we're back. We're bad. We're ready to do this. All right, so this is going to be an ending for 2 videos. All right, so the first one is hashtag pork chop day, which is everybody, you know, that I just click the hashtag, right? And the second ending is for my gravy that I made. So I've already poured the gravy over this, shot all the thumbnails I needed to do for both videos. All right, so remember the links are below and up in the iCards from earlier for each one of the videos. For, you know, the gravy will have the pork chop one and the pork chops will have the gravy on there, okay? The gravy is great for any of the holidays you got coming up. Thanksgiving, use the same principle. With the turkey, you can use turkey stock instead of chicken stock, but really it doesn't make much more difference, okay? So I'm pumped up for pork chop day. I'm about to try my pork chops. So these were smoked with some hickory wood, just a little bit. I didn't want to overpower it. A little bit of this gravy on there. Gonna cut a little bit of this pork chop off. Ooh, yeah. Cheers. That is so good, boys and girls. Moist, delicious, smoky, sweet, savory. I don't know if you can see that, but that's perfectly juicy. Loving it. All right, guys. I think I won hashtag pork chop day. Make sure you click on that hashtag link, get to everybody's and watch everybody, subscribe to everybody, have fun with everybody. This is great. Give the pork chops a try. That right rub did it right. All right, guys. For the gravy and for the pork chops, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.